You used to read books. Now you scroll. You used to enjoy walks. Now they feel boring. And you wonder why you can't focus. It's not a discipline problem, it's dopamine. And your brain is addicted to it. Dopamine isn't about pleasure, it's about pursuit. Every notification, every scroll, every like is training your brain to chase the next tiny reward. But when everything is stimulating, nothing is satisfying. This is the dopamine trap. Think of dopamine like a volume knob. The more you spike it with cheap hits, TikTok, sugar, games, the more you need to feel motivated. Your baseline drops, and the normal quiet things, they feel pointless. You check your phone mid-conversation. You open apps without thinking. You feel uncomfortable just sitting still. That's dopamine dysregulation. You've trained your brain to expect fireworks for everything. But you can undo it. Step 1. Identify your triggers. What gives you that instant hit? Social media, junk food, gaming? List them. Honestly. Step 2. Replace, don't erase, don't just quit. Your brain rebels. Instead, swap short-term dopamine with long-term reward. Trade TikTok for a walk, sugar for protein, mindless scroll for mindful journaling. Step 3. Embrace boredom. Boredom is where real focus begins. It's the mental detox your brain needs to reset. The first 48 hours feel uncomfortable. You'll itch to grab your phone. But resist, because that discomfort, it's your baseline resetting. You're reclaiming your mind. Once dopamine stabilizes, you'll start to feel pleasure in the simple again. Focus will return. Discipline will feel easier. Life won't be fireworks, but it will be real. You can't out-discipline a hijacked brain, but you can rewire it, one choice at a time. Subscribe for more brain-related content.